how to change email or phone number on Facebook on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your email or phone number on your Facebook application or Facebook account on iPhone. Now first things first, you want to open up Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see various options. You want to tap on the bottom right corner of your screen that says menu. You want to simply tap on menu option, and here you can see various options. Simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you should get an interface like this. Under account you can see the very first option, personal and account information. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the contact info option that you can see. You want to simply tap on contact info, and you can see add phone number and add email address. Now if you already have phone number and email address, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on, suppose you want to add phone number, tap on add phone number and then add another phone number, and then you want to simply remove the previous one. Similarly, if you want to add email address, you want to add another one and then remove the previous one. So this way you can change phone number or email on your Facebook account on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.